Welcome to DHM Global Black News. We cover the stories shaping the Black world from the African continent to the Caribbean, the diaspora communities in the Americas and Europe. My name is Pete. In a vibrant celebration of heritage in London, the NCBD Institute and the Africa Centre are today hosting Niger Sounds and Visionscapes. This landmark event marks a centennial celebration of Nigerian popular music, 1925 to 2025. The exhibition utilizes rare archives and immersive AR/VR technology to trace the evolution of highlife, juju, and Afrobeat, highlighting how Nigerian sounds have shaped the British cultural fabric. Organizers emphasize that this is more than a concert, it is a visual and sonic mapping of the diaspora's 100-year influence on global music. The African Diaspora Network, ADN, has announced it received a major $100,000 funding boost to strengthen diaspora-led science, innovation, and global research partnerships. The funding is aimed at mobilizing the intellectual capacity of the diaspora to solve critical challenges on the continent, ranging from healthcare technology to renewable energy. This comes as the network prepares for the African Diaspora Investment Symposium, ADIS 26. Focusing on how remittances can move beyond basic support to become strategic philanthropic and investment capital for African growth. Today, the Black Cultural Centre in Islington is hosting a series of critical webinars and screenings focused on historical reconciliation. A standout session titled Against Erasure highlights the forgotten history of Black victims during the Nazi era, while the documentary After the Flood explores the 18th century church's involvement in chattel slavery and its lasting impact on modern reconciliation efforts. These events are part of a broader January movement in the UK to ensure Black British history is accurately integrated into national remembrance narratives. In California, the city of Pasadena has kicked off its 2026 Black History commemorations early, with a focus on culinary diaspora. This weekend features workshops by Chef Dana Brumer on African foodways, exploring how traditional techniques survived the transatlantic trade to reinvent American cuisine. Simultaneously, the community is gathering at the Jackie Robinson Community Center to celebrate the Trailblazer's birthday, using his legacy to discuss modern-day civil rights and the continued economic empowerment of Black-owned businesses in the San Gabriel Valley. A new global report has sparked intense conversation across both UK and US diaspora communities regarding the Black tax, the financial support that professionals in the diaspora send back to their families in Africa and the Caribbean. The study highlights both the immense pride and the significant financial strain this responsibility places on Black workers. Leaders in the community are calling for better financial frameworks to help the diaspora manage these obligations while still building personal wealth and stability in their adopted countries. Thanks for watching Global News for today. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. Our people, our story, our own way.